Hi, I'm Stancy and I work with Format. In this video, I'm going to talk about writing a great bio for your portfolio website and how setting the right tone can help to support your work and your goals. Did you know that your About Me page is the most visited page on your website? Check your stats and you'll see that it's true. After checking out your images, it's a natural next step for both clients and fans to want to know who is behind the work. People coming to your site want context on you, the intent of your work, your goals, services, and more. CVs and resumes can be a great thing to include on your website, but as students, you might not have a lot of experience to report yet. Try writing a great About Me page and making a link to your CV or resume instead. Always put your best foot forward. Here are some steps on writing a great About Me page. 1. Introduce yourself. Use the very first line of your About Me page to tell people who you are. Think about how you'd introduce yourself to someone who asks what you do, and just go from there. Make sure you mention what city you're based in. 2. Set the right tone based on the type of work you're looking for. No two statements are created equal. The goals of a fine art site versus a customer-facing site can be very different. For example, if you're a wedding or portrait photographer marketing directly to customers, your website can be more conversational in tone. However, if you're looking for a staff position or sending your work to galleries to consider for exhibition, the writing should be more formal in tone. Always consider who your audience is. 3. Consider listing awards and accolades. If you've been recognized for your work through awards and scholarships, your About Me page could be a great place to list these. Testimonials from clients can also be a good thing to include if they're appropriate to your style of website. 4. If appropriate, include a few personal details. Are you a dog owner? Do you like to paint? Do you volunteer? It might seem unprofessional to include details like these, but a biography page that only lists work-related experience isn't offering a complete introduction. It's really easy to skim through someone's personal experience and feel as though you've learned nothing personal about them. Including a few details of who you are makes your About Me page more memorable. 5. Include a photo of yourself. Choose a photo that represents your personality. Depending on the tone of your website, you can choose something more professional, like a headshot, or something a little more personal, like a photo of you working in your studio. Either way, including a photo of yourself helps people visiting your site put a face to your name. 6. Proofread and edit. It may sound obvious, but this is a crucial last step, because any typos, spelling mistakes, or grammatical errors will make your About Me page seem sloppy and unprofessional. Carefully proofread and edit your About Me page before you publish. Lastly, look to the websites of other professionals you admire to see how they list their experience and how they talk about their work. Use aspirational websites as a model to build your own page. I hope this video has been helpful. If you need any more tips about building your portfolio website, reach out to our customer experience team and they would be happy to help you.